So in this video, we are going to discuss what inverse Lagrange's interpolation. So they asked us to apply Lagrange's formula inversely to find the root of equation f of 0 is equal to 0. What's the meaning of that? The value of x such that f of x is equal to what? We have studied f of x is equal to y. Now f of x is equal to what? They have given 0. Correct? This equal to right hand side always represents what? Y. So y is equal to 0. What is x value? Now reverse they have asked. Previous cases we used to find, so they have basically asked you what is x value at y is equal to 0. Previous questions was that what is y value at x equal to something. So here we are going to apply what? Inverse Lagrange's formula. And one more thing, that it is not necessary all the questions they will be mentioning that you have to apply inverse Lagrange's formula, interpolation formula, but you have to understand that whenever they ask you x equal to something at y equal to given value, then you have to understand inverse Lagrange's interpolation formula you have to apply. Now here the given data is given here over here. So f of something, always remember right side always represents y values. Inside the bracket x values. Here also same thing. X we don't know. Y we have to find. Y is given. So f of 30 means what? X naught is 30 and corresponding y naught. Okay, y naught I will write below. Corresponding y naught value is given as minus 30. And next value if you see, x1 is given as 34 inside the bracket. Y1 is given as minus 13. X2 is given as 38. Corresponding Y2 value is what? 3. And X3 is given as 42. Corresponding Y3 value is 18. Okay. So this all values are given. We will go for the inverse Lagrange's inverse interpolation form, where we used to find out the Y value as you remember. Now it has to be changed into what x. That means this particular Y becomes what x, and wherever x is sitting that will become y. So replace x with what? Y. That's it. So wherever y naught is there, that means it becomes x naught. That's it. So all the remaining things will be equal. So we need to find at x equal to. So x equal to it becomes. I'll start with y. Y minus, first always remember we are going to take x naught. That's why we the x naught will be sorry, here y naught will be missing from the numerator, right? So y minus y1 into y minus y2 till where last value is y3 and x3. So y minus y3 into what you are going to apply? Multiply x naught whole divided by denominator in place of y. What was missing in the numerator? Y naught is missing. So you put in place of y, y naught minus y1, y naught minus y2, y naught minus y3 plus. Next, now I am going to take what? X1. So what should be missing from the numerator? Y1 should be missing. So y minus y naught I can include. Y minus y1 I cannot include. Y2 I will include. Y minus y3 will come. Then into x1. Denominator part in place of y, y1 will come. Y naught. All the same thing you can copy paste. Next, coming to next part. So y minus, now y2 will be missing, right? So it will be y0 is there, y0 is there, y1 is there, y2 is missing, y3 is there. So x2 whole divided by y2 in place of x you have to substitute, and again same thing copy paste. And the last one we are going to write, which is y minus y0 will be there, y minus y1 will be there, y minus y2 also will be there, y3 will be missing because we are taking x3, and denominator in place of y you have to put y3. Now we have to substitute all the values. See, all the values is given over here, direct substitution. Remember here y is equal to 0 you have to substitute. So wherever y is there, 0 you have to substitute. Okay, y1 value is minus 13, so it will be 13. So directly I am going to write all the values. Okay, So what we have got that at if what we asked, f of x equal to 0, what is the value of what x? So at x equal to 37.2303 for corresponding y value is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0. So what we got the x value? So they have asked y is equal to 0. What is the corresponding x value? We got it as 37.23 something. Okay, this you understand. So formula you have to understand. So calculation, anyways, I hope you can do it directly in the calculator. If you put, you will get the answer. So this particular thing will be the final thing.